One of our logical operators is the logical AND operator, not to be confused with the bitwise AND operator. That operator is specified with two ampersands. So what I can do is I can say if number is greater than 20 and number is smaller than 40. That's how it's printed out, or that's how it's pronounced. If number is greater than 20 and number is smaller than 40. Which means our program now does exactly what it did before, but it's a whole lot shorter. There's one thing that people will get confused about that I've seen so many times. They will try to write this. Because in English, this makes sense, right? If I read this out loud, it'll say, if number is larger than 20 and smaller than 40. That makes sense as far as English is concerned, but it doesn't make sense to the computer. What we have here is an operator that is just like let's say the addition operator. The addition operator is an operator that has two operands, has two values, one on the left and one on the right. And the AND operator is no different. This has two values, one on the left and one on the right, which means we have to specify a value on the right. This is not a value. This is a syntax error. We have to, because remember, the AND operator wants a value on the left. Let me go ahead and make this very clear to everyone using parentheses. And it needs an expression on the right. But this is not a valid expression. Our less than operator needs a left value. It always needs a left value. There's no way to get around it. You can't write code like this. Now, just off a crazy tangent, you technically can in languages like F#, where we get an awesome example of currying, but that's obviously not what we're talking about today. In C#, this will always be invalid. We must specify a value on the left of this. So we actually have an example of 3 expressions. Let me break those expressions out for you guys. We have one expression, which is number is larger than 20, and this expression equals number is greater than 20. We have another expression, number is smaller than 40, which is this. Then we have another expression, number is between 20 and 40, which is going to equal number is less than 20 and number is smaller than 40. This expression right here, whoops, this expression right here is basically the longhand form of this expression right here. So it's technically 3 expressions. We have our larger than 20 expression, our smaller than 40 expression, and our combination of the two using a logical AND.